These are super clean berries because they are like homegrown. Oops. Come on. They are like here. They're hiding. This one is like super ripe. And our freshly picked strawberries. Let's harvest some of these peppers that are ready to. Look at this. This is big. This one too. So I harvested 2. I'm preparing our brunch. Longanisa, eggs, eggplant salad, and then okra. It will be in the backyard garden. The eggplant. Some like juicy tomatoes. Thinly sliced red onion. Vinegar. Dipping sauce for our okra. Calamansi from the garden. And then soy sauce. Lemon. Let's add soy sauce. Sunny side eggs. And here's our backyard brunch. We have longanisa, eggplant and salted egg salad. We have sunny side eggs, okra. The dipping sauce is lemon, soy sauce, and calamansi. And then we have watermelon, rice, and cherries. Let's eat. There's a butterfly passing by. It's so relaxing with the breeze.
Yeah, windy but warm.
Warm, yeah. The roses are so pretty.
Only 2 bright blue tulips. The color scheme would be gray, marigold, like gold marigold, turquoise, and adu white.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Kind of brighter colors. Since I did the color scheme, you guys gotta say your color schemes. How about you, Daddy?
My color scheme would be this. This. Pink, this is more of French country.
Me, white and silver.
White and silver.
No black, kind of like minimalist.
But but no maroon, no red.
No, just white, silver, and then, the industrial look.
Giving the first hint.
This country used to be one of the top 3 most powerful nations in its prime. Top 3 most powerful nations in its prime.
Finish,
Mommy's delicious with
yummy.
yummers.
Thank you. Let's water this with leftover water. Plants need good aerated soil. So if you love the idea of having a beautiful garden but hate the back-breaking work of tilling the soil, then meet my new garden best friend. This is a tiller and cultivator. This is engineered to cut through the compact soil and weeds and debris. It's like a debris protector, and it has like a safety switch. Ergonomic design, lightweight, and so powerful. This is equipped with 21 volts battery, which is designed to last long. would like to amend your soil to make your garden more beautiful, go check this tiller out. Tiller or cultivator. This was given to me by Green Loaner, and the link is down below if you're interested. Going to Whole Foods to get our ingredients for the raclette. Want the raclette without the cheese. We have the raclette cheese. Yippee! That's it. Thank you. Have a great day. It's shrimp. Let's get like blackberries. Done with our raclette shopping. I need cornichon. Spaghetti get like cake. Which one? I'm preparing our raclette lunch for husband's birthday and the potatoes are ready. So we have bell peppers here. The snow peas ready made to be sliced. Let's slice the asparagus. I like asparagus. Asparagus and cheese are yummy. Let me wash this first. Let's prepare. I harvested 2 lemons for the shrimp. Squeeze lemon on our shrimp. Wow, lots of lemons. Ooh, nice. Here's our raclette lunch. Josh decorated the steak with the rosemary. And then that is happy birthday cake. The other happy birthday cake. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy
Happy birthday,
Thank you. Let's eat. Thank you. Thank you, Pare Mare.
There you go.
Do everything then. Wow, awesome. Yeah, magic ah.
Not there.
Good job.
Nice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Yeah, it's passing.
Hi, Daddy.
Oh, say hi. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
It's a Rambo.
That's it.
Oh, just your bread. This is the wine. This is the appetizer. Ooh, yummy. This is the special appetizer.
Tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, mint, and melty mozzarella cheese.
Grazie.
Boy.
Hi, Daddy. Happy birthday.
Grazie.
This is the ravioli. This is the guanciale. This is the suckling beef. And this is the pasta with guanciale and artichoke. Just her bake. Oh my god. This is
Oh.
This is better than the
So
gelato
great.
place.
Yeah.
So good.
Fresh, no?
I'm not sure if I could like have a lot this tonight. What do you think tomorrow? We have a lot of awards. Look at those, all those like awards. Sad.
Grazie.
Limoncello.
Michelle.
It is. It's cookie. This is limoncello.
You can-
So good that you can eat. It's our favorite gelateria here.
Yeah.
Josh. Buonasera.
Hi, buonasera.
What do you want, Josh?
Limon and mango.
Go tell her.
Hello.
Lemon and mango.
Okay, you want a cone or a counter?
Corn.
It's our last day here in Rome.
Our last day in
and
Rome.
we're having gelato.
Daddy's happy birthday, right?
Daddy's birthday today. Happy birthday, Daddy. Daddy's celebrating his birthday in Rome.
Grazie.
Daddy always celebrates his birthday out of the country.
Not always.
Yeah, or Cabo, or like Barcelona, remember? This is our hotel. All the way to the top. To here. Paris Ticket.
temps en temps nous serons heureux. Sans renoncer.
Husband is having ham and cheese. I'm having this one. And then caramel macchiato. This is super cool. You can rotate this 360 degrees, so it's super flexible, and you can like mount it at any angle you like. And this is made of metal. It has a metal arm. It has like a super strong suction. So this also like features an advanced suction system where you just like turn it around. It has like more of lock suction function. So let's like put this here. Where should we put it? We can put it in a glass. We can put it here, or like here. We can actually put this here for MagSafe phone like that. But if your phone is not like MagSafe, they provided this thing, so you can just put it in at the back of your phone to make it like more of MagSafe. So it can like this can still hold your phone even if you don't have like a MagSafe like phone. This is actually protected by a US design patent. A circular base to minimize contact with your phone and provide like better airflow, and at the same time it will prevent like overheating. This has like a rotating lock suction. It has a super strong suction. It's 45% better or more powerful than the other like car phone holders. So like that. There you go. So now it's super strong. See? I can move it this way. There you go. Like that. Like, this is super cool. Go check this out. The link is down below if you're interested. Today we're shopping at Sprouts. And avocados. And eggplant too. Red onion. This egg. We're having pasta salad this week. I think somewhere here, banana peppers. Here you go. I think this one, right? This one then.
Yeah.
Fermented and flavorful. Interesting. It's watermelon season. Yep, Picasso melon. You wanna try? He's so cute.
Yeah.
But it's so small. Look at that. It's in cheese. For the salad. And then Celine, mozzarella. In New York, snake for Josh like school lunch. Oh, skewers.
Hi, good morning.
Salmon. Thank you.
J'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle, qu'on a tous une place au soleil. À tes pieds sont cachés des mondes et merveilles. Un baiser volé te lève de ton sommeil. J'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle comme une solution aux problèmes que le vent.
Lunch here at cheese.
And then can we get 3 chopsticks?
Shrimp and lobster sauce, eggplant and saltfish, and then Mongolian beef. Yeah, that's it. Shrimp. Daddy ordered like eggplant and
So good.
saltfish. It's so good. I'm
Even the
having
fish.
shrimp and lobster
Sole.
sauce.
Hindi yung ano ba, swai.
Oh.
The Mongolian barbecue, beef. Same.
morning walk. Pass by. Into the mountain. And that's it. You couldn't hear it anymore. It's underneath the mountain. It's cold and gloomy today. Oh, there's a snail. Look at the snail. Hello, snail. This is the first time I'm seeing a snail here. It's 8:05. Gorgeous flowers here. Hello, bunny.